Today I'm going to show you some 5 best working proxy websites you can use to open blocked sites easily. Sometimes websites don't load properly because of network limitations in school or work. Proxy sites can help you access them through an alternative connection. Using them is very simple. Just copy one of the proxy links, you will find it in the description, and paste it into your browser. Once the proxy website opens, you'll see a search bar or URL bar. Then, type the website you want to visit. For example, you can try Discord, YouTube, Reddit, Snapchat, or other websites like games website you want to access. After that, press enter, and the website should open through the proxy. If one proxy link doesn't work, don't worry. I keep updating working proxy links, so make sure to subscribe for more videos. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss new updates and tutorials.